Hello everyone, I want to take this moment to do a video on how to subtract integers. So first of all, I know when you were in first grade or even kindergarten, you were taught that this expression is 5 take away 3. And for kids in the lower grade, that is totally acceptable. But when you are in middle school, the language changes. So what you have in front of you is going to be a positive 5 and a negative 3. Whenever you see a number and a sign as indicated right here, it means that this sign is telling us that this 3 is going to be negative. This 5, even though there is no sign in front of it, is understood to be positive. So what I'm going to do right now is to represent both numbers using the pictorial representation. So I decided not to use a cube with this particular example because I know you may not have a cube to even copy what I'm showing to you. So you do have a pencil and a pen, so I know you can do this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put a plus inside of each of the circles. And then I'm going to represent the 3, which is negative 3. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, put a negative in front of it. I'm saying in front of it. I meant to say inside of it. Okay. Now I'm going to create my 0 pairs. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to cross these out because, when you have the same number of units with one being positive and one being negative, we create what we call a 0 pair. So that's my 0 pair. And guess what? I am left over with 2 positive. So therefore, 5 take away 3 is going to equal to 2. And guess what? You already knew that. But I just wanted to reverse this equation so that you can see it looking like a middle school equation. So now I'm going to switch it around. I'm going to put the negative 3 first. So I'm going to write negative 3. And then I'm going to switch. So we know 5 is positive. We did say that already, right? So now I have negative 3 plus 5. And guess what? We have to create our 0 pairs. I am left with 2 positive. So it shows that it does work. All right. Now I want to do one more demonstration because I know this one doesn't really represent many of the problems that you will see with subtraction expressions. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this at this time. And I do need to get a little eraser right now. So let me go ahead and do so. All right, so now I'm going to create an expression. I'm going to put negative 5 take away 4. Okay, negative 5 take away 4. Now, what does that mean? I can tell you, and I know you know this by now, 5 is negative, and I know 4 is also negative. So I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to indicate the negative inside of my circles. And then I have 4 is negative. So I'm going to also indicate 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? I hope you notice we don't have any positive. So the mere fact that I do not have any positive, that means I can't cancel anything. So all I got to do is just count to see how many circles I have. That's all I have to do at this stage. So what I'm going to do is count the circles, and you could clearly see that there are 5 on the top. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 of them. And guess what? They're all negative, sorry. Therefore, my answer is going to equal to negative 9. So negative 5 take away 4 is equal to negative 9. I know many of you guys have learned how to switch this into an addition expression. Guess what? It is not quite necessary. Once you understand the meaning of the numbers, you don't really have to do all that, because what happens when you have to change it, you're going to get confused. You're going to forget. So once you look at the number differently and you know exactly what it means, then it virtually eliminate all those misconception, confusion. So just try to see it like this. Hopefully that will work for you, because guess what? You're going to be using this all the way through college. So it's really a great idea to master it right now. All right. Okay, guys, I will see you soon. Take care.